Hey viewers, welcome to the best tools review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best stick welder for beginners you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the stick welder for beginners in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is WETOLS TIG welding machine. The quality of the machine is pretty impressive. I didn't expect the fit and finish to be as good as it was. I'm also impressed by the fact that it has post-flow settings and an automatic gas flow on or off. I moved the high frequency start button to a more ergonomic position for my style of welding. That's not the fault of the machine, just my preference. This little welder has paid itself off 4 times already in our shop repairing steel AC lines and various other thin metal components. While they sell this as a 200 amp welder, you shouldn't weld anywhere near that BC, the cables will start melting down. Other than that, it's a blast to use, great purchase. Inverter frequency up to 100 kHz, the welding speed is fast, the welding process is the best. This is optimized to deliver a flawless weld, making spatter and post-weld cleanup almost non-existent. Rated input frequency 50 or 60 Hz, duty cycle 80%, improves the performance of the welding machine. TIG welding thickness 0.3 to 4.8 mm, stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron, and chrome. ARC welding thickness 15 to 42 mm. Portable handle makes it easier to operate. The lightweight makes it more convenient to carry, suitable for stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, copper, copper alloy and other non-ferrous metal welding. For details, let's watch more. Our second best stick welder for beginners is Amico ARC-200 Welder. This machine is a fantastic machine for a fraction of the cost of either Lincoln or Miller. Whether it's TIG or stick, this machine flat 100% runs. Very impressed with the quality of this machine. ARC-200 is a professional stick arc with lift TIG welding machine using the advanced inverter technology. The welding power source can provide a stronger, more concentrated and more stable arc. When the stick and workpiece become shorter, the response will be faster. This means it is easier to design it as a welding machine with different dynamic characteristics, and it can even be adjusted as needed to make the arc softer or harder. Incorporates advanced IGBT inverter technology with superior arc characteristics and has excellent arc stability. 80% duty cycle at 200 amps ensures long time welding, and the machine can still work normally with an extended power cord up to 700 feet. The power cord can resist power fluctuations and cable attenuation at any length. ARC-200 stick arc with lift TIG can achieve the perfect weld. It is a welding machine of the highest level. The strength of its components makes it a reliable work tool for professionals or individuals. Third pick in our list is YESWELDER ARC Welder. This is for the 165 amp version. It welds very smooth, hot start works really well. I bought the welder for one purpose. I wanted to build a metal post cattle corral and did not have an engine powered welder. I do have a 3500 watt generator with only 110 volt. The generator ran the welder for days, burning 3 boxes of rods of different size. Stick welds in 6010, 6011, 6013, 7018. Perfectar Arcade 205 DS comes with DC stick function. It can fit cellulose electrode welding. High duty cycle on 1x8 inch rods. IGBT soft switch technology, excellent arc stability, 2205 amps, very suitable weld thin workpiece. The lightness and strength of its components make this a reliable work tool for professionals or personal use. Automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, over current protection, over load protection. Automatic temperature control, fan dormancy, steeples amperage control, all generators friendly. This is optimized to deliver a flawless weld, making spatter and post-weld cleanup almost non-existent. 110 volts to 220 volts dual voltage input. Automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, over current protection, over load protection, temperature control. Number 4 in our side is DEKOPRO MMA Welder. The machine ran 3x32, 7018 right out of the box, no problems. 5x32 is definitely pushing it on a 110 lead. I'm sure the 220 plug-in would be way better off running the bigger wire. The stinger electrode holder is pretty small and is probably really cheap, but hey, it works. Other than that, I'd say it's a good machine for the low cost. High intensity body has structural strength and durable characteristics, with multiple solid frame of the solid handle, easy to get and store, suitable for daily and professional work and other scenes. High performance fully mute fan motor with instant cooling function, promote body heat dissipation. The synchronous control system provides protection mechanisms. Voltage accurately matches and adjusts the current to ensure a stable current output, prevents overload conditions, and the multiple processing protection mechanism improves welding efficiency and ensures your safety. The machine is equipped with high efficiency and low cost cutting technology, can be widely used in automobile manufacturing, plumbing work, metal processing, strict construction work, site work, high quality welding and thin material precision welding. Last in our best stick welder for beginners list is HomeStick Welder. I am really excited about this purchase. It is so nice to have a lightweight and portable welder on hand. They can fit in the back of my truck without taking up too much space. It can run on 110V or 220V. It comes with the adapter for 110V. The unit is very lightweight and easy to carry. It is very effective and works very well. My welds are coming out very clean. This welder was an exceptional value and I am very happy that I made this purchase. Voltage accurately matches and adjusts the current to ensure a stable current output, prevents overload conditions, and the multiple processing protection mechanism improves welding efficiency and ensures your safety. High performance fully mute fan motor with instant cooling function, promoting body heat dissipation. The synchronous control system provides protection mechanisms. High intensity body has structural strength and durable characteristics, with multiple solid frame of the solid handle, easy to get and store, suitable for daily and professional work and other scenes. The machine is equipped with high efficiency welding technology, can be widely used in automobile manufacturing, plumbing work, metal processing, strict construction work, site work, high quality welding and thin material precision welding.